made it to the Vortex Trail, just out of Gunlock. And watch your step.
Alright, we're on the Vortex Trail, just out of Gunlock, Utah. Looks like it heads up this little river drainage right here. There's supposed to be a cool sandstone depression. I'm gonna go check it out. It's a cool rock formations. It's like the back of a dinosaur. It's a real cool pattern in the rock. Well, we found something that looks like a vortex, kinda. Cool colors. Big old pothole down there. So I guess there's one over here that's even better. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, that's a deep hole.
Let's see.
That mountain right there looks like it's the skin of an elephant. It's pretty cool. Well, there it is. The Vortex. I guess people get stuck down in here. They can't get out. Apparently you gotta be careful. Here's another view of it. So the vortex is a pothole right there. It goes down really deep. This canyon we hiked up is pretty cool. It's got all of the waves in the rock and stuff. It's pretty cool. And the sun's hitting this and making it glow a brilliant orange. It's pretty awesome. I got search and rescue out here doing training missions and stuff. It's pretty cool. And these cool little alcoves. Say cheese. There's a cool saddle over here. Huh. It's pretty steep. Up to Christy, she always finds the way to the scary places. Guess I'll follow. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Yeah, we were going to climb over and come down the other side, but no, I don't think so. Bird's eye view of where we came. See, we started out at the trailhead over there in that parking lot. We hiked up this little wash here, over behind us here, and then around to this point. It's pretty. Got the lava fields down there. Great views. All right, time for the 360 selfie. That should do. There's the rest of the group down there.